everyone, it's Miss Allison. Happy Friday. I hope you're having a fantastic day and getting ready for that 3-day weekend. So let's take a look at your work for Friday, for today. In our night unit, it's going to look a little bit different, so I want to show you what it looks like. Alright, so right here, we are in our Friday folder for today. You have 2 different tasks you're working on. So this first one is your formative. This is a reading check, a check for understanding, as well as on some of the skills we've been doing in class. So please make sure you take this one first. It will lock today, so you need to have your reading in this done today in order to be successful and get credit on that, okay? Second one is your night chapter 1 and 2 applications. So this is going to be just another way to apply the information that you have read. We have our learning target and our success criteria up here. Down here you have some of your directions that you're going to be following and a task. So make sure that you're filling this out as you are going. This should not take you the entire class time. This should take probably about half. The formative should take the other half. Make sure you also take a quick break in the middle, give yourself a couple minutes to stretch, get some water, get a snack, whatever, alright? But that is the goal for English today, so both of these things are due at the end of class today. Please make sure that you are getting help if you need it. Miss V and I will be in help desk from 8:30 to 9:45, and we would love to see you there. Alright guys, happy Friday!